we're gonna go on a hike.
Nice.
That's Mount Rainier. I did it.
Blueberries. Go ahead and pick it.
Here, for you.
No, you eat it.
Oh, tangy. I think those are some huckleberries over there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's more. Let's try them.
Oh, yeah, these aren't yet. Oh.
Whoa. Tart.
Yeah. Yeah, they're not ready yet.
Not ready yet. Update on the hucks. Let's see. Elevation check. We're in the South Cascades here. Elevation 3,600 feet. And the berries are here. But man,
They're tart.
they are super tart. Yeah. Not good eating yet.
Let's try this one.
But look how many there are.
Yeah, these are better.
So many.
Ooh, do you want a blueberry? Come here.
Okay.
She's not interested.
They're all right.
Yeah, they're not terrible. They're not amazing.
They're not as sweet as they get once there's that cold snap, you know? Haven't had that yet. Just a wall of huckleberry bushes here. But they're still tart. Tons of berries on them, though. Just all of this. It's full of berries. Look at the mountain. Let me zoom in on that. I believe. Check out the blue bruising on this bolete. I think it's a bitter bolete. The stem is already turning blue from where I broke it in half. Within seconds. I see a good mushroom. Oh, I think it might be another bitter one. There's a couple more. Falling down the steep hillside. Oh, it's just one of the bitter ones. That cracked cap kind of tells me it's one of those bitter boletes. Oh, look at this one. I think just around this bend is the lake that we're gonna go hang out at. Serena's gonna set up her hammock. I'm gonna inflate the raft and go fishing. And Boo Boo is gonna take a nap. Beautiful. Look at that.
Chilling.
Nice.
Straight chill.
Whoa, look at all of those fish and frogs and tadpoles. There's like a billion little baby frogs and tadpoles right here. Whoa. Some of them, the babies still have their tails. Whoa. Man, there's like hundreds of them. Not a single bite or sign of fish in this entire lake. So I think we'll pack up and head to another lake and test out those waters. Well, this first lake has been gorgeous, but not a sign of fish anywhere. So there's another lake a half-mile away, and that's where we're headed. Okay, I see a glimmer of the lake. Next lake down below. Through the trees. Good viewpoint. Made it to the lake. Let's go fishing. Beautiful, beautiful lake. Pick up some trash. Look at this. What is this? Oh. Little dog frisbee. That doesn't belong in the lake. Nada. Zero fish. Beautiful mountain day. The huckleberries are out. The blueberries are out. They are nearing their ripeness, but they're not all the way there yet at this elevation. 4,000 feet right now. Also, the boletes are popping. Those were the cascade boletes that are bitter. They're not toxic, but they're not good to eat. Real bitter and gross. So I'm excited. Good things are coming. The fish are gonna be biting soon. The mushrooms are gonna be fruiting soon. And so are the berries. Stay tuned for more adventures.